Best coffee powder. Number 5. JAYANTHI Golden Blend Coffee. Approx price 430 rupees. Golden Blend Coffee. Fine grind. Quantity 250 gram. Number 4. Nescafe Sunrise Rich Aroma Instant Coffee. Approx price 295 rupees. Nescafe Sunrise Instant Coffee Chicory Mixture. Made from blends of 70% coffee and 30% chicory. Blends of Arabica and Robusta coffee beans. Number 3. Brew Instant Coffee Powder. Approx price 170 rupees. Brew Instant Coffee. Perfect mix of 70% coffee and 30% chicory. Blend of choiced Arabica and Robusta beans roasted to perfection. New and enhanced process ensure that the fresh coffee aroma is preserved. Number 2. Continental Coffee Extra Instant Coffee Powder 200 gram pouch. Approx price 249 rupees. Instant 70% coffee, 30% chicory mixture. Chicory to provide a strong cup of rich tasting. Locks the aroma and flavor fresh coffee. Number 1. Nescafe Classic Instant Coffee 200 gram Stabilo pack. Approx price 490 rupees. Premium frothy instant coffee right at home. Made using specially selected and carefully roasted. Flavorful and 100% pure coffee. Airtight container to ensure lasting freshness. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.